Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. Today is a release of 3 new background designs on the mini album mashup and a giveaway drawing. So the last giveaway drawing I asked you, there were 3 empty spots left and I asked you to tell me, leave your votes down below. I will link that video up there. But I asked you to leave your votes of the 3 background designs that you wanted to see on this set of templates, and I added them up and I have picked the 3 that got the most votes. There were a lot of votes though that I noticed that were background designs that are already on the templates, so I don't know if there's been some kind of confusion there, but I will, after I show you which ones were chosen, I will also show you again which ones are already on the set of templates. And I will have the section to my shop. I will have that section linked down below for this set of templates so you can see all the different options. And the album that we're currently working on, just in case you haven't been here in a little bit, is the Masters of Magic. This is the current album that we are making, and it's a lot of fun, and this is how far we've gotten so far. And I will link this video playlist. I will link it up here if you want to catch up and create this album with us. It's been a lot of fun. It's a little different than what I usually go for. Like the paper collection is a little bit different than my normal, but I like it, so it's different. Okay, so let me show you the background designs that were voted for, got the most votes, and that is Music Notes, Grungy Wood, and Coffee Stain. Those are the 3 that got the most votes out of all of the votes. So they are now available in my Etsy shop, and that's what the listing looks like. The Etsy listing looks just like that. And there are going to be 3 winners, and all 3 winners get all 3 of these if they want. They don't have to, but if they want, they can have all 3 sets of templates. But you just need to, the winners will just need to contact me via the email down below. But we'll go over that in a minute, again, in a minute. So let me show you really quick the backgrounds that are already on the set of templates, and that would be the Faded Floral, the Hearts, the Diamond Check. That's what we're currently using in this current project. Butterfly, Floral, Lightwood, Vintage Script, Scripty Check, and Vintage Polka Dot. So the 3 new ones are the Grungy Wood, Coffee Stained, and Music Notes. So that being said, I've already pulled in the video URL. Uh-oh. What is this? Is this an advertisement? What is this? I've already pulled in the URL, and it's already pulled the comments. And in order for you to be entered in to win, you had to leave a comment with your vote, and you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. That's very important that you're a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit start. I'm going to let it pick a name, and then I will check to see if you're a subscriber, and then we will go from there. So I might try to scooch in a little bit. Alright, I'm going to hit start, and hopefully it'll be in frame. Okay, I have checked, and congratulations at Sharon R. Studio. You said Vintage Polka Dots, Butterflies, and Music Notes. So you need to contact me let's see. Let's see, it's a week from now. Let's see, today's the 7th. So the 14th, I guess. Contact me by May 14th to claim your winnings. So contact me via that email down below. I don't do any other correspondence through that email, just giveaway winners. So contact me through that email and we will get the ball rolling. So congratulations to you, Sharon R. Studios. Okay, so now let's pick another winner. Let's see. Did I hit it? Okay, I'm gonna hit start and here we go. Okay, I have checked, and at Kathy Hattenhauser 5377, you are a subscriber, so therefore you are one of the 3 winners. You, sorry if I didn't say that correctly, but there you are. Let my camera focus. That's you. If that's you, contact me via that email down below before May, or on or before May 14th, and we'll get the ball rolling, get you your winnings. All right, let's pick another winner. Okay, I'm gonna hit start. Okay, I have checked, and this person is a subscriber, and it's at Have At It. Congratulations, you are the 3rd and final winner of this giveaway. If you could contact me via that email down below, and we will get the ball rolling. And you, all 3 winners have until May 14th by the end of the day to contact me. Even if I don't answer, even if I don't, like let's say you contact me May 14th and I don't answer till May 15th, that's fine. You're fine. As long as you contact me by that date, all will be right as rain. Okay, so congratulations to the 3 of you. And that will be the last giveaway for this set of templates, by the way. And I have a coupon code. Whoops. I have a coupon code for you guys that's valid for everything in my Etsy shop. And it is Mashup, M-A-S-H-U-P, and it's 20% off everything in my Etsy shop. Well, they're everything in my Etsy shop. There's a few exclusions. There's a few sections that are not included. But just about everything in my Etsy shop, including the new sets that I just put up today. This coupon code is valid from May 7th through May 17th, and you can use it as many times as you want. There is no minimum. There's no maximum. Just put this coupon code in at checkout, and it will take 20% off. If it doesn't, holler at me. I will look to see what's going on, and I will fix it for you. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoy these giveaways. They're a lot of fun. I really enjoy doing them with you guys. I enjoy giving your input about your background designs. There was even some new suggestions for background designs, which were really great. I wrote them down. You never know. I mean, I was playing with another one a couple days ago, but I've just run out of time. I think it'll be I think it'll be fun. We'll see. I have a few ideas. Some of them came from you guys, and some of them I'm just mashing up in my head. But anyway, regardless, I'm just all over the place right now. I am burning the candle at both ends at the moment. So I decided to wait on that because I didn't want to push myself too hard to get it done by today, because I would have to do the whole get it onto templates, all the things, and which I had to do for these, but it's different when you have a new background design. I don't know how to explain it, but anyway, thank you all for participating. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for hanging out with me for a few minutes, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.